Up Tron TRX Crypto Holders, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now my friends, in this video once again I'm talking about TRX. What's the current price of TRX? What's the price change on the Tron TRX? In this video I will show you, my friends, and you know what, this is the warning alert video for all holders. Keep watching this video and never miss any second of this video, because the things are getting crazy in the TRX, my friends. Let me show you the price changes of the TRX. You can see here that now the current situation of the TRX is going crazy. Negative 0.58%. The price is going down in the last 60 minutes, and you know what, this is a big loss for all TRX holders, my friends. The price is going down in the last 60 minutes, and the last previous change is also negative. You also already know about this, my friends. Let me show you the price chart of the TRX. What will be the next move of TRX? You know what, my friends, the price of TRX is only going down from a previous 2 weeks. You can see here from this price chart, you can easily understand that the price is going down from the previous last 2 weeks. So what should we do in this critical situation? The people ask me questions, this type of question. So my personal advice for all of you is that please and don't invest in a TRX for a long time, my friends. You know what, now at this time my prediction is that the price will fall down for the few hours, and maybe the price will fall down to the next 1 or 2 days, my friends. And after 1-2 days there is a chance that the price will again start pump, but the current situation is completely going crazy, my friends. So at this time we have no hope to the price will pump. Anyways, what is your opinion, what is your prediction about TRX? Please also tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.